The information in your ResultsPlus database is stored in database tables and fields. Database table names correspond with specific areas of the product, such as address, pledge, and gift transaction. Figuring out the field name that you need for a query or mail merge letter can be a little trickier. There are two ways to find field names. The easiest way is to move your mouse pointer over a field name on a ResultsPlus screen and let it sit there for a few moments. For example, when you hover over the birth date field on the General Information tab, you'll see a small box that reads folder.birthdate. This tells you that the constituent's birth date is stored in the birth date field of the folder table. The folder table contains basic information about each constituent, including all of the items that appear on the General Information tab, plus constituent name fields. The table name, followed by a dot, followed by a field name, is the notation that ResultsPlus uses to describe a table and field name combination. This is the quickest and easiest way to find field names in ResultsPlus, but sometimes you'll be looking for information that doesn't appear on the ResultsPlus screens, or you may not know where to find it. This might include information such as total gifts given, or gifts given so far this fiscal year, or the reminder date for a contact follow-up. You'll find a complete listing of field names by database table in ResultsPlus User Assistance. To open User Assistance, press the F1 key on your keyboard. You can also click the All Topics button near the top right corner of the ResultsPlus desktop, or open the How-To tab and click All Topics. When the ResultsPlus User Assistance tab opens, you'll see a list of topics down the left side. If you're not sure how to use User Assistance, click the topic near the top entitled Using this Help System. Otherwise, use the scroll bar to scroll down to the topic labeled Database Tables and Fields. When you click the topic labeled Database Tables and Fields, it will open to show subtopics. When you open the subtopic, Understanding Database Table and Field Listings, you'll learn how the information in each of the topics is organized, including where to find the field names for mail merge. Let's say you want to create a query listing outstanding pledges, including each outstanding pledge balance. Where would you find the database field containing the balance of each pledge? You can see table names in the Contents view on the left, down through gNotify Link Table. Let's scroll down. Aha! There's a pledge table. That's probably where the outstanding balance on a pledge would be stored. The Pledge Table topic starts out with some technical notes about using pledge table fields in mail merge. Then it lists all the individual fields in the table alphabetically. The fields AC by, AC date, and AC letter don't look promising. Let's scroll down. Amount paid to date looks useful, but it's not what you're looking for. Pledge balance looks like what you want. Let's zoom in. Here's the detail. Let's add the column headings. The name of the field, as it is stored in the database, is in the first column. The form you would use to include this field's value in a mail merge is in the second column. The name of the tab or screen where this field appears in ResultsPlus is in the third column. The label of the field, as shown in ResultsPlus, appears in this next column. The type of data that is stored in this field is shown under Size and Type. The $sign stands for monetary value. If a field contains text, you'll see the letter C in this field for character, together with the length of the field. And the description tells you what this field represents or how it's used. All of this tells us that pledge balance is the field we were looking for. If you're familiar with creating queries in the Query Designer, You also know that you can see all of the fields in the tables you selected in Step 1 by clicking the drop-down arrows in the Table/Field area of Step 2. Sometimes the field names will be so obvious you won't have to look any further. This completes the tutorial on finding database field names.